Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for July 4th, 2016. Hope everyone's having a great long weekend. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week. The Dow was up 19 points on Friday, while the S&P was up 4, and the NASDAQ was up 20. But what I really want to focus on today is this potential of a V-shaped bottom here. If you look in the past, whenever we've had a swift drop like this, and a quick comeback, okay? It forms this very sharp V shape, okay? It's happened several times. It usually ends up being a bottom for a while, and you do see a sharp recovery, but immediately after that V shape, you get some sideways movements or a bit of a pullback. So that's what I think we're in for here, is a lot more volatility and maybe another dogfight here. Remember, we have been testing these highs right around 2110 for a while now, and we really do need to see a break above that to have any chance of getting above that high here for the year, the 2126 high. So the key levels on the S&P really are here. I'll draw it in for you. Is this zone between 2108 and 2110, right in here? These previous highs, you can see how many times we've touched these highs before. So the highest point in that section here where we've touched before is that 2110. Of course, here we went a little higher, but I think if we break above 2110, we're often running to these highs here for the year. And these key to the downside is about 2060, this zone here. So, you know, there's a lot of congestion in here. We've seen it before, and with this V-shaped bottom, I think we're going to bounce around here for a little while, and that's what would be most typical. But if we break above that 2110, I think we're off and running to the upside. So that's what I think we can expect in the days to come. Let's look at a few more charts here. The NASDAQ also was higher by about 20 points on Thursday, I should say, or Friday. My mistake. And here, again, another V-shaped type bottom, a very, very quick 4-day recovery. The Russell doing the same thing. The yen here didn't do a whole lot at the end of the week. Kind of froze there. Bonds got a nice sharp move higher, a little over 1.5 points. Gold, of course, gapped nicely higher, was up almost 15 points here. And crude flat. The crude has been in this little zone here for a while. We've now got, we can say, a bit of a channel going right here on crude. So we'll see if we can get a move outside of that. But again, key levels on the S&P, look for that 2150 to the upside, 2060 to the downside, but expect a lot more volatility in the near future. Okay, before I let you go, did want to let you know that our semi-annual sale is now on, and I know many of you have already taken advantage of our deep discounts on our pro membership and our other indicators, but you can get everything here at tradingwinds.com/store. And for those of you watching on YouTube, the link is on the bottom left of this video. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we will see you on our next update.